At Medikonda Nutrients, purity begins at the source. We transform nature's finest botanicals into high-performance ingredients trusted across global markets. Our Graviola Soursop leaf powder begins its journey in carefully managed farms where Graviola plants thrive under favorable natural conditions. Leaves are harvested at the right stage of maturity, ensuring optimal botanical strength and consistency. Only healthy, vibrant leaves are selected. Each batch passes through a detailed visual inspection to eliminate damaged or immature material, allowing only premium-grade leaves to move forward. The selected leaves are subjected to thorough hygienic washing, removing surface impurities while protecting their natural structure. Cleaned leaves are then gently prepared for drying without unnecessary handling. Drying is carried out using controlled dehydration methods, such as hot air drying or low-temperature drying, designed to safeguard delicate plant compounds, preserve the leaf's natural green hue, and achieve stable moisture levels essential for long shelf life. Once fully dried, the leaves are precision milled using advanced grinding systems. This process converts the botanical material into a smooth, consistent powder without overheating or nutrient loss. The powder is further refined through sieving, ensuring uniform particle size and superior flow characteristics. To guarantee safety and global compliance, the powder undergoes sterilization and stringent laboratory testing. Each batch is evaluated for microbial safety, heavy metals, and overall purity, meeting international export standards. Finally, our organic Graviola Soursop leaf powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets, nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.